Hey there everyone, welcome to Tool Talk Pro. I'm Kelly, and in today's video, we're going back to basics, hand tools. If you're new to DIY or just curious about these tools, you're in the right place.
That's right. With the right tools, not only does the job get easier, but it also becomes way more fun. And don't worry, we're going to make this super enjoyable.
All right, let's kick things off with the big question. What are hand tools and why should you have them? Hand tools are manual tools used for various tasks like fixing furniture, tackling DIY projects, or handling light mechanical work. Some basic examples include hammers, screwdrivers, pliers, and box cutters.
You might be wondering, why not just use power tools? Well, hand tools are more practical. They don't need electricity, they're portable, and they're perfect for smaller tasks or when you're just starting out.
Exactly. Plus, hand tools are usually cheaper and easier to maintain compared to power tools.
And let's not forget, no cords to trip over, right?
Now let's get into the must-haves. These are the basic hand tools every beginner should own. Starting with the classic, the hammer. This is your go-to tool for tasks like driving nails or removing them. Choose one with a comfortable grip and the right weight for you.
Did you know hammers have been around since prehistoric times? Back then they were just rocks. Glad we've moved on, huh?
Next up, screwdrivers. You'll definitely need these for tightening or loosening screws. Make sure to have two main types, Phillips and flathead.
My tip, get screwdrivers with magnetic tips. They're a lifesaver when screws fall into hard-to-reach spots. Pliers are versatile tools that can grip, cut, or bend wires. They're super handy for small home repairs.
Wrenches are for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts. If you're unsure which size to get, a set of adjustable wrenches is a great start. Box cutter is essential for cutting light materials like paper, cardboard, or thin wires. Always be careful and make sure to use a sharp blade. And remember, a dull box cutter isn't just annoying, it's also less safe.
When you're just starting out, you don't need to go all out and buy expensive tools. Focus on quality first. 1. Look for tools made of durable materials like carbon steel or stainless steel. 2. Check the grip. Ergonomic handles make a big difference if you're working for longer periods. 3. Start with the basics before adding to your collection.
Era perfecta. Perfecta del todo hasta el más mínimo detalle.
And don't forget, you gotta check out different stores to find the tools you need. You can find great tools at better prices if you're patient, like this wrench from Alora we're using. It's chrome vanadium, super durable, and rust resistant. Check out the link in the description for more details. But don't become that person who hoards tools that just gather dust, okay?
Safety first. Here are some important tips when working with hand tools. 1. Always use the right tool for the job. Don't use a screwdriver as a pry bar or pliers as a hammer. 2. Check your tools before use. Make sure nothing's loose or damaged. 3. Wear protective gear like gloves or safety glasses when necessary.
And for the forgetful ones, keep your tools organized. Trust me, you don't want to step on a nail. It's not as funny as in the movies. Maintenance tips: 1. Clean your tools after use, especially if they've been exposed to dirt or grease. 2. Store them in a dry place to avoid rust.
And that's our introduction to hand tools. I hope this video helps you understand the basics of what you need to start your DIY journey.
If you've got a favorite tool, let us know in the comments. Or maybe you've got some extra tips. We'd love to hear them.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more content where we dive deeper into tools and fun projects.
And remember, work smarter, not harder. With the right tools, of course. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye, have a great time.